Now the last stage is body armhole cross, or draw a cross line from the point 10 to bottom 30 and name it as 31. Name it as 31. The R measurement is 1 inch. Take the 1 inch from the point 30 towards the 31 line and name it as 32. Name it as 32. Now measurement is R, 1 inch, marking from 30 to 32. Now measure the distance between 30 to 13, 13, 2.5 inch. Take the same measurement from 30 towards top side, 30 towards top side, and name it as 33. Now join the mark from 33 to 32, then 32 to 13, 13. Draw the curve. This is armhole curve. Now the back drawing is almost ready to cut. This is back casual chudidhar cutting, back part. Now the back part cutting is ready. These are the cutting points: 23, 21, 20, 32, 33, 11, and the top part to the 11. The top part to the 11. Now the drawing is ready to cut. Cut the top from the now cut it down from 1 to 29, 29 to 25, 25 to 26, 24, 28, then 23. From top take from 4 to 11, from 11 to 33, then 32, then 13, then 20, then from 21. This is back cutting. For the front part, only two changes should be made. The one is shoulder and the another is body armhole. After cutting the back part, front part should be cut. Cutting the back part, front part should be cut. Method to cut front part is to cut front part, take the back part, the back drawing that have been made now. Take a plain chart and trace the back pattern till to the line of U. Front point center. Draw a line. Draw the actual line of back drawing till to the U mark. Now we are tracing the back drawing for the front piece. This is 1.5 inch stitch seam allowance. The 13 mark of back should be named as 13 for the front also. From the top, take ½ inch towards downside. The top, take ½ inch towards downside on both neck side and armhole side, and draw a straight line. Now from the shoulder side, from the armhole side, take ½ inch for front purpose and mark the point as showing now till to the mark 13. Till to the mark 13, 1 3. From shoulder towards inside ½ inch. This ½ inch should be lesser while joining till to the armhole. ½ inch, 3 point, 2 point and 1 point. Now cut it down for the front part. Cut it down for the front part. The red mark is for front drawing. And cut it down. Make arc at the point 13 and at the center point in the front pattern. Now take the back and front part for checking purpose. This is center point. This is also the center point. Now the back and front have been prepared. The next stage is the front part will be changes only at the armhole and shoulder portions only. After marking the back and front part, mark the sleeve part. Now for cutting the sleeve part, fold the chart into two. Note down the measurements to cut the sleeve part. Note down the measurements to cut the sleeve part. Measurements are K, P, O, L, R and Q. Total 6 measurements are required. RQ is using for perfect fit only. No need of RQ measurement. K, P, O, L. The K measurement is 5. Now the K measurement is 5, the P measurement is 3, the O measurement is 7 and the L measurement is 12. The L measurement is 12. First draw a straight line. Draw a straight line towards downside and name it as 1. From the mark 1, take 0.75 inch for stitching allowance. 0.75 for stitching allowance and name it as 2. From the line 2, take the sleeve height measurement 5 inch and add half inch for stitching purpose. Add half inch for stitching purpose. Draw a straight line. Name the line as 3 and and the line ending point is 4. Now the next measurement is P, hand armhole height. From the point 3 towards downside, take the hand armhole height and name it as 5. Draw a straight line. Name it as 5. From 5, take the hand armhole measurement 7. From 5, take hand armhole measurement 7 and name it as 6. From 6, take 1.5 inch for stitching purpose and name it as 7. Hand armhole plus 1.5 inch for stitching purpose. The next is hand loose. Hand loose is 12 inch. Now we are cutting by folding type, so divide that measurement into 2. The measurement is 6 inches. Now take that measurement in the second line, the line 2. Take the measurement 6 inches and the point is set to be as 8. Point is set to be as 8. And from the 8 point, take 1.5 inch for stitching purpose and name it as 9. This mark is set to be 9. Now join the both line from 3 to 6. Now join the both line from 3 to 6. Then join the line from 6 to 8. Then from 7 to 9. From 7 to 9. Line from 7 to 9. Draw crossly at the bottom point. Draw crossly at the bottom point from 8 and 9 towards downside. 9 towards downside. From 8 and 9 towards downside. Now measure the distance between 6 and 3. Mark the center. This is because to draw the front and back bend. The center point is 3.5. Name the center point as 10. Now measure the distance between 3 and 10. Now measure the distance between 3 and 10. The center is 1.75. The center is 1.75. The center is 1.75. Again measure the distance between 6 and 10. Either we can measure like this type, or else we can take a round figure of the distance of 3 to 6. For example, distance the measurement as 8 inch. Take 2, 4, 6 and 8. Take 2, 4, 6 and 8. We can measure the distance as 8 inch. 2, 4 and 6 and 8. We can measure like this type also. Now from the mark 2, take 1/4 inch towards top side. Mark 2, take quarter inch towards top side and from the mark 6 take quarter inch towards downside, take quarter inch towards downside and take quarter inch towards downside and draw the bend from 3 towards turn by upside and 10 towards 6 and 6 towards the 6th mark, 8, 6th and 8th mark. This is to be front bend. This is to be front bend. To be front bend. Now for back bend, take half inch from the 0.6. Take half inch from the 0.6, 0.10. Take half inch towards top at the 0.10. Name it as 11. Now draw a bend from the mark 3 towards 11 and towards 6. Draw the bend from 11 towards the 0.6. This is for back bend. Now the diagram have been ready. Now cut it down from the bottom. This is for chudidhar sleeve part. First cut it down from the back bend and lift one paper and cut it down for the front curve. This is chudidhar top sleeve drawing. After cutting the sleeve pattern, we can check it out with the body shape whether it is correct or perfect. Now this is cutted by back bend. This is cutted by back bend. Now lift the one side paper and cut the front curve. This is for front portion.